Give him a warm round of applause as he makes the stage, the Right Honorable Prime Minister of Rwanda, Kigali.
Right? Because it is that simple. And you do follow the same thought process as when you make a PowerPoint. So when I grab my Oculus headset and I put it on, right?
That's awesome, yeah.
If this is an area of interest to you and you'd like to become a metaverse entrepreneur, join Exponential Destiny as we do an upskilling and reskilling initiative as part of a global competition that we're running with the support of the United Nations ITU agency called the Metaverse for SDG's Global Prize and Virtual Reality Competition. All the information you need is on our website, www.sdgmetaverseprize.org. All ages are welcome and all skill levels are welcome. This will be a fun initiative running from June 2022 to June 2023. Form a team, select a sustainable development goal. We will help upskill you to be a creator in this space, and then design an environment that builds empathy, awareness, and education around that sustainable development goal. And if you're one of the finalist teams for your sustainable development goal, you'll be receiving a cash prize award and honors. Thank you. Come join us.